Hey, welcome back to another video. Hopefully you can hear me over the AC in the background. So today I will be showing you and telling you more about how to make a portfolio and what to do. This is great for if you're trying to do additional portfolio. So let's get started. So you want to have a logo or a tagline. You want to let people know who you are, what you're about, what you're providing, and just overall who you are, as I said. So site design, make sure that your site looks nice. Make sure that it's clear, understanding your message is able to come across to others good, and it reflects who you are. You need to have relevant skills on your portfolio, relevant and useful skills. Um, this can include education, coursework, certificates, certifications you may have, job experiences from the past, etc., etc. You want to have a bio. This is the most important part because it's going to tell people who you actually really are, your personality, your experiences. Make sure that you have interesting information on there. You don't want people to just be like, oh, okay, yeah, I don't know about this person. So, yeah, make sure that your bio is actually interesting. Add photos of yourself, contact information, specialties, services you offer, testimonies, videos, and all types of other stuff that you want to add that are relevant to your portfolio, of course. And you want to overall just think when you're making this portfolio, what is your main goal for your portfolio? If you can think that and just add stuff to your portfolio, you will be good. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching my video. If you want more information on how to make a portfolio, there's a site that I have a link here for where I got some of my sources from called learntocodewithme.me. Um, and you can just type it in, screenshot, post it onto Google, and yeah, this is basically what the site looks like. It is taught more about what is a portfolio website and examples. Let me show you one example of someone's portfolio while I'm on here. This can be helpful. So yeah, this is how their portfolio look. Yours do not have to look like this, but it's really nice and decent. And you can use GoDaddy, you can um use Wix and Shopify for your website if you want for your portfolio. I'm pretty sure they have different other sites you can use. Maybe you can even make one off of Canva. I never made one off of Canva, but maybe you could. But that's it for my video. Thanks for watching once more. Um, Check out my other videos. See how you like them.